ready to unleash your DaVinci Resolve 18 masterpiece onto the world. Let's dive into exporting your video so you can share it far and wide. First, head down to the bottom of the screen and click on the Deliver page icon. This is where all the magic happens. Now, on the left side of your screen, you'll see the Render Settings panel. This is where we tell DaVinci Resolve exactly how we want our video to look when it's finished. Start by clicking on the Preset drop-down menu. This offers a bunch of pre-configured settings for popular platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, and more. Select the one that best suits where you plan to upload your video, or choose Custom to create your own. Next, let's choose our video format. Click the Format drop-down. MP4 is a great choice for general use, offering a good balance of quality and file size. QuickTime is another option, often preferred for professional workflows. Now, select your codec. H.264 is a widely compatible codec, while H.265 offers better compression for similar quality, but may not be supported on all devices. Set your resolution and frame rate. If you shot in 1080p at 30 fps, stick with those settings. If you want a higher quality output, choose a higher resolution like 4K. Give your video a name in the file name field and choose where you want to save it using the Location Browse button. Make sure it's a place you'll remember. Once you're happy with all your settings, hit the Add to Render Queue button at the bottom. Your project will then appear in the render queue on the right side of the screen. Finally, click the Start Render button. DaVinci Resolve will now work its magic, processing your video based on the settings you selected. A progress bar will show you how far along the render is. And that's it. Once rendering is complete, your finished video is ready to be shared with the world. Enjoy!